make her grand entrance. Once again, let's witness her tornado walks.
Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez, Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let us all cheer for our Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. A big hand for Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez. Again, please do not forget to use our official hashtag looks
For the win!
And now we will do the sashing ceremony.
Wait lang
There you have it.
Dami nanonood dito.
To be led by Miss Anna Macao. Luxurious win for the crown. And now, to make it official, there you have it.
Parang sarili. Partner.
A round of applause, everyone. Congratulations to Miss Winwin Marquez, our official candidate for
Teresita Sen Winwin Marquez, Miss Universe Philippines, Muntinlupa.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let us all win for the crown. And now, to make it official, there you have it.
Parang sarili. Partner.
A round of applause, everyone. Congratulations to Miss Winwin Marquez, our official candidate for. There you have it. And now I think it's time. Solo muna yan.
Oh my God.
Yes, you know, it's been 10 years, a decade, when I first joined my pageant back in 2015. And 8 years since I raised the flag in Bolivia. And now I am back here, more ready than ever, to stand on stage and represent Muntinlupa in the Miss Universe stage. Miss Universe Philippines stage. Maraming salamat po dahil naaalala niyo pa rin po ako kahit 10 years ago na po yun.
Of course!
And
For the win!
thank you. And I just want to say, of course, thank you to Miss Anna Magkawas because if it wasn't for her, hindi po ako makakatayo dito ngayon, hindi po ako makakasali. And of course, sa aking pinsan na nandito ngayon, si Michelle D. She has been supportive from day one, since day one. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko to gagawin kung hindi dahil sa kanya. She really gave me so much advice and I really look up to her. And sana hindi ko siya mapahiya at hindi ko siya ipapahiya. And of course to my family, my daughter is here also and to my partner. At syempre sa representative din po ng Muntinlupa City, si Mr. Navarro is here. Again, sobrang saya ko po ngayon. Dahil makikita niyo po ulit ang Teresita sa Miss Universe Philippines stage. Thank you. Perfectionist yan eh. Siguro ang tumatak talaga sa akin is, if you really want to join and if it's in your heart, do it. No matter the outcome is. Kasi pag nasa puso mo yung ginagawa mo, lalabas at mag-resonate sa ibang tao yun. And yun ang importante. You know, for me, it's not always about winning. It's also about trying. Because when you try, you will never have regrets in your life. And that is what's important.
Thank you, Win. For the win. Thank you.
Yan! Gusto namin yan.
Tama, nasa gitna.
Nasa gitna. Okay. Wait lang.
Wait lang.
Sige, go.
Sige.
Go, kuya.
Win-win. Why should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
I've grown into someone who now embodies strength, compassion, and competence. And I bring my unique experience to inspire other people and to prove that dreams do not have an expiration date. I want my daughter to see me as someone who chased after her dreams and never gave up on her dream. Yes, this might be a risk for me, but it's scarier and to live with the question of what if. That is why I am here. I also want people to understand that it is never too late to take a chance on yourself. That I do not just represent the crown. I represent the limitless potential of every individual. Thank you. I don't know if I should be called a Latina Slayer, but thank you to all the fans who believe that I am. When I competed in a different pageant, for the first time that no other Filipina did pa, I just gave my all. I just wanted to be Miss Philippines. I just wanted to give the best for my country. And I think nakita lang nila ko ano yung ginawa ko doon. And I'm very grateful for them. Kasi if wala sila, hindi din ako makakarating kung nasan ako.
The host country, which is the Thailand, for the 74th Miss Universe pageant. Kumusta yung naramdaman mo? Nagkaroon ba ng extra spark and excitement?
Siyempre, it's an Asian country. It's very near to, here in the Philippines. Buong Pilipinas ata pwedeng pumunta doon pag may ilalaban tayo, correct? Hindi magpapatalo ang mga Pinoy. Spark in a way na sana, God willing, ako ang magre-represent ng Philippines.
And we'll see and wait for that.
I hope.
We're excited for you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Vin.
you.
Mayel.
Sorry.
Meron pa
Okay
pala.
lang yan. I'm Sherman, and my question is, since nanalo ka na ng crown in 2017, a lot of fans are sabing, tama na, nanalo na yan. What's your message to them?
You know, I do understand where they're coming from. I feel like they think that I have to prove myself once again. But it is not about proving myself. It is about chasing a dream of mine I had back in 2015. And I hope they do understand that even after a decade, I've brought my discipline here now that I am back. And I want them to see that this is a level playing field, a fair fight for everyone. And sana makita nila kung bakit ako sasali ulit. Thank you.
Of course!
This is my inspiration. This is why I am here now on stage, because I want everyone to see that even if you're a mother or if you are a certain age, that dreams will never stop. And this is about inspiring the next generation, inspiring all women that we are meant to be seen and we are meant to be celebrated.
Oh my God! Winner! Okay na?
Again, use our official hashtag Luxurious Win for the Crown and hashtag Win for the Crown.
Slip pala. Kailangan mo na-expose.
Grabe naman itong magkasama.
After, we'll be hearing a message from Miss Michelle for her cousin.
Michelle, bigyan mo ng blessing si Win-Win.
Bless.
Dabas-bas!
Yun.
Lawayan mo siya.
So while I have the mic, while I have the mic, for everybody here, This has been a very long time coming. I'm so excited that we're finally here. Win-Win is not a hard woman to support. She has an amazing story. You have an amazing story. You have brought so much pride to the country, and you're just such an inspiration from the way you walk the talk. And I know that you're gonna take this whole journey by storm. When we first met about this topic, I really know that there was so much going on in your mind. But again, there's the beauty of uncertainty. There's the beauty in not knowing where the future will take you, and as long as you really, and I know that you have the best intentions, not just for your family or your friends, but really to bring pride to the country. I was saying this all morning that Win-Win is the epitome of the modern day Filipina and the modern day Filipina mother as well. And I know that you're just going to shine the brightest. May destiny be in your favor, and I know whatever happens, happens for a reason. Again, I'm just so happy that you're here. I'm so happy that you're giving it your all. And I know that it's going to take you really, really far. The universe deserves to hear Win-Win's story. They deserve to see how much potential she has. And I'm just so, so excited for this journey. Kaya, congratulations in advance. I'm so glad that you're here, and I know you're going to make your mark.
Laban!
Round of applause for Miss Michelle Marquez.
Closer pa.
And
Closer.
again, please use our official hashtag.
Andito kasi yung split.
Hashtag luxurious win for the crown and hashtag win for the crown. Then after, we will now
Wala siya ngayon dito, if it's not for us. But, nung nasabi sa akin na the candidate is Win-Win, nandun sa mind ko na, ay, may connection eh. Kasi, kung hindi niyo po alam, matagal na kami magkakilala, 7 years ago. She's my client in one of my business. In one of my businesses, the bag era pa. Sa panahon pa na nagbabags ako, nagla-live selling ako ng bags. Isa na si Win-Win sa client ko before. Hinanap ko pa yung pictures namin kagabi, na-post ko siya last night, and sabi, na-touch siya. Sabi niya, hanap ko pa yung picture natin. Nakasave lang yun sa phone ko. And, ang galing lang kasi, di ba, parang nag-align ng stars and universe na magtagpo ulit tayo sa tamang panahon. And may purpose yun. So yung purpose na yun is, of course, again, syempre, to inspire many. And subukan nating abutin yung pangarap mo. Baka ito na yun. We love you.
This is it!
Lupa has only just begun, and we look forward to what lies ahead. Once again, let's continue to support her as we move forward in her aspirations and dreams. And again, please do not forget to use our official hashtag luxurious win for the crown and hashtag win for the crown. So now we will be opening the floor for our friends from the media for a one-on-one interview.
I'll just say goodbye to the others.